Hi folks, hope everybody's doing great. I'm here with my Ninja 650, the 2013 model, BS3, I think, if I'm not wrong. So I recently, went into a problem where I thought it was my battery issue and my headlights were not working, right? So I recharged my battery and then I fixed it back myself. And then all of a sudden, even when everything else, right, the indicators, the other battery functions, my dials, when everything else is working, still my headlight refuses to work, right? So when I turn it on, everything is there and there is no alarm or any blinkers stating that there's a problem, but then it stops working, right? So and then I did some troubleshooting and then I found this one, right? This is a blown fuse. I hope I can, can you see it? It's a blown fuse, right? I'm unable to zoom. I'm gonna try to zoom into it. Can it not? Alright, anyways, yeah, I think you can now. This is a blown fuse, right? I figured it out based on a tutorial, and I thought might as well make a video of me fixing the fuse myself. It's a cheap fix, and I'm gonna fix this, and hopefully everything glows again. I'll be back in a minute. Here's how you fix this. Step 1 is to remove the keys, and step 2 will be to get a new fuse, right? So this is a good fuse, as you can see. The fuse inside is good, and this is a 15A fuse. Oops. This is a 15A fuse, right? And this is what was blown in my bike. So I'm going to try to fix this. In order to fix this, you need an 8mm spanner, and you have 2 bolts on both sides of your tank cover, right? So you have one here and you have the one on the other side. So basically you have to remove this, and then you're also going to remove this tank cover, right? First you remove the bolts. There's going to be a metal holder kind of a thing, kind of a washer kind of a thing. You need to ensure that you keep that safe as well, because if you lose it, you're not going to get it back. So when you're removing the bolt, make sure you remove the washer also with it, and make sure you keep it safe. And then these are stuck with Velcro, and then there is one attachment at the bottom. So these are just plug and play. You just need to push it a little hard, but not as hard as you would want to break it. So just push it a little hard and then it just pops, right? So I'm going to try my best to show you that. I'm going to first remove the bolts, and then I'm going to show you how I pop these things, all right. I've loosened the bolts with a spanner, and basically just wanted to show you how it looks. This is the bolt and this is the washer that I was talking about. Okay, the next step is to remove this plastic panel, which is like a cover for the tank. And basically you'll have a Velcro here, and then you'll also have a sort of a pointed fixture inside, which is plastic. So you need to be very careful when you remove. And then so you can basically see the Velcro there, and then you also have a Velcro this side. So be very, very slow and cautious when you're trying to remove them. Don't give too much of pressure, but at the same time enough pressure to kind of remove it like that, right? And then you're gonna be wiggling around with this to ensure that it kind of comes off. So basically what you do is, I'm gonna do this off camera because I cannot hold my phone and do this. I need both hands to kind of do this. But then basically, if you see this side, the plastic is popped, but this side is not. So I'm gonna try. Yeah, I did it. Not bad. I'm getting more pro at it. Basically, this is the first time I removed the cover for the first time yesterday, when I figured out that the fuse box is here. Alright, so basically the fuse box is right here. This is the one in the black is the fuse box. I'm trying to show you but I think the light is not good enough for you to see, but I hope you can see it. And I'm just gonna pop it open, just like that. I hope it comes. Just give me a second. I'm gonna try to pop it open. Yeah, there you go. So if you see, there's a lot of fuses and the names are here. I mean, I can probably put a picture of it or something like that later. Because of bad light, you're not able to see it, because the light is right on top of the bike. I'll try to put a image of it. But then, as you see, there are multiple fuses in this. Everything is in reverse, and that's how it works in the Kawasaki Ninja 650 2013 model. I don't know why it is in the reverse, but that's how it is. So I'm just going to replicate the same thing. I've got a new fuse and I'm going to put it back in the same direction as it's supposed to be. Right, so I got it reversed. I hope you can see. Yeah, this is reversed just like everything else, and the first slot belongs to the headlight. So I'm gonna be fixing it. I hope it fixes. And by the way, guys, this is the first time I'm fixing a fuse in a bike. I've never done this before, but then I learned how to do it. So I'm just gonna try to fix this. I'll be right back. Just give me a second once I push it inside. All right. It wasn't as complicated as I thought it was going to be to push it in. Really bad lighting. I hope I can probably push the bike and show you some things. But anyways, that's a fuse box. All right. Now, this is raw video. I hope it works. I'm going to check if the fuse did work. Right? So basically my headlights were not working, both my low beam and my high beam. My low beam is my daylight running light, daytime running light, and then the high beam works with pass and with things. So I'm going to try the pass first. Let me check. Okay. Right, my daytime running lights are on. And my pass, quite bright. Not bad. That's pretty decent. I'm learning to the high beam. There you go, guys. Headlight's not working. It's just a fuse that needs to be fixed.